How are you guys? Today's unboxing the Xiaomi sub-brand Poco F1 and purchase from listen2good.com. The category is like new. Okay guys, before start the video, please like and video and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Let's start the unboxing. This is our toogood.com box. The good packing. This first purchase, the first experience to like new. Before I purchase, only the category is super and very good. Today purchase a like new. Let's start our unboxing. How to open this one? Just hold it. This is Poco warranty card, toogood.com. This invoice. I show the price, everything there. This is our box. Complete sealed. Complete sealed, guys. See the packing. So yeah, 6 GB RAM, 120 GB variant. The Poco sub brand, this one. The broken the seal. I don't know, this one seal, something broke in there. Already broke it. No silicone cover. What is this? Toogood.com. This is real invoice. The Poco sub brand. The Xiaomi sub brand Poco. This is a user manual. Keep it, everything is inside. I will read this. Don't have to read. Phone nobody covers. See, should be covered. Inside I get the charger, original. Little bit used, I think, this one. See, no anything cover. Too much scratches in the cover. The charger. This is UFC Type C. The 3.2, the quick charge support, this one. Poco F1. No SIM digital tool. Oh yeah. No SIM digital tool, guys. Very bad. Very bad service. Toogood.com. This is our phone. The phone, does see. I get a grey color variant. Too many scratches. One scratch here. Just boot the phone. Keep it here. Did the India. Okay guys, I already boot everything. I set up this one. I found only little one scratch here. Just see the one scratch only. Otherwise everything is good. But charger also very dirty, this one. Use it into too much scratches charger. It's a like new category. What is running this one? The battery also 19%. Still this one MIUI 9 running this one. So 6 GB the RAM. What is the Android? Android still Oreo. It's already the great update. Android Pie update already come, this one. Still not update. Okay guys, no problem. I'll update. And this one review also, full review I'll give in next video. This is totally the 15 inches and 18 inches. This one, the full HD display, a 4000 mAh battery. The back megapixel camera is 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. The front megapixel is 20 megapixel camera. The camera check. Give permission, everything. High AF feature also this one. Good camera, not bad. It's running the Snapdragon 845. That's why the phone is flagship killer, 2018 flagship killer. This one compared to Asus Zenfone 5Z and OnePlus 6, the Snapdragon 845. You need full review, I'll give you next video to watch. You need more video like this unboxing, check in the top playlist, too many unbox videos. Okay guys, before finish the video, please like and video and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Do not forget to share this video. youtube.com. The like new category has little bit only scratch. This first experience to like new I purchase. Before I purchase only super and very good the category. Okay guys. I give the next video to full review the Poco F1.